Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to fix the issue that we have faced during running our KubeDM or running our Kubernetes cluster using KubeDM. So I have fixed the problem. Let me show you what is the issue and what the things that I missed in the configuration of QDM during the init of the KubeDM. So let me go here. So this is the lines that I missed. That is why I faced the problem in network. So I fixed it by adding this pod subnet and service subnet network, right? Because we are using this plugin, Parallel.yaml network plugin. That's why we are using this pod subnet. If you are using another, if you are using another network plugin, you have to change this IP address. So let me copy this one, copy it here and go to the master, right? And here I will create sudo nano config.cube.yaml and paste this here. But before that, let me check the C group driver of Docker. So sudo docker info pipe grep -e and then C group. So the C group driver of Docker is the C group fs. So everything is nice. So now what I have to do is to init kubedm by run this command init -- config, then config kubedm.yaml. Nice. So the next step is try to run this on the worker node. So sudo the run command as a root. Alright, then copy this, paste it here. Nice. Another thing is to install the network plugin. Copy, paste here. Here, if I run now, command kubectl git nodes. Not ready. I have to wait. It are ready. So both of them are ready. Good. Now what I have to do, go to Ansible and check this playbook. So sudo nano Ansible build Kubernetes React.js or Node.js. Okay, so I have to create Kubernetes folder in the master node. So make a directory Kubernetes. Then create this file here So enter the Kubernetes folder, then to nano, copy and paste the name here, and here I will copy and paste this. In this example of volumes, I will use the host volume, and in the next videos, I will use elastic block storage, EBS. Nice. Okay. So here I have added this directory. So what means this directory or create type property in host path is try to check whether if this path is directory exists or not. If it is not, it will create it. And this volume or this path or this directory within our EC2 instance, it will be mounted to this directory within the MongoDB container. Right? But this is not the recommended way in the production environment, right? Because it is not secure. So let me come here and now try to run this. So, but why I have to explain, for that I have to explain what's going on here. So this is the architecture that we are going to use. We'll create a MongoDB service, a Node.js service, and we will copy the artifact of the build into the default directory in the Nginx server, that is user share Nginx HTML, right? So that what we have translate this architecture to this declarative YAML file to run this architecture on our Kubernetes container orchestration. So at the first create a deployment, call it MongoDB, then create a service for my MongoDB using the cluster IP. Right? I have explained what is the difference between cluster IP and the node port service, and I create deployment for my Node.js app. Then the same thing, I created services for it. Then my Nginx server, right? And the service for my Nginx deployment, right? In this, I have used the images that we have built previously in the previous videos, right? This image and the other one here as well, right? That are here in our Dockerhub. They are here, right, in our Dockerhub account. And I want to clarify, or I want to you should make attention to something that is very important. Is let me open another GitHub URL, right? Is in this project you have to pay attention for something that is very important. If you don't pay attention for it, you might face errors, right? So here in Node.js server, if we go here to the MongoDB.js file, and here we have specified the URL of our MongoDB, and this is the name of the service within the cluster. This name must be the same as here, right? This service, it's called MongoDB, right? And it's listed on the port 27017. So make sure to pay attention for this, that the same name services here, maybe you call it Mongo, so you have to come here to this folder and change the name to Mongo, right? And this is the database that we will create and that we will use. So MongoDB will check if this database exists, so it will store our register or our record in it. If it's not, it will create another database called AliDB. So next step, let us come here and try to run this deployment and services by using declarative command